YouTube channel. As you all know, it was my birthday last week. On the 5th of September, your girl turned 30. I turned dirty 30. So I got 30 birthday gifts. And I posted on my Instagram who all of you would want to see my gifts. Response, let me show you how many of you wanted to see what all I got. So 100% of you guys told me that you want to see my gifts. So here I am with a video to show what all I got. Before I do that, I just wanted to mention something. I'm sure कि आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. Those who know me that I am not into bragging at all. I just like sharing my life with you guys, and that is the reason मैंने poll किया था Instagram में कि how many of you would want to see. So not even one person said no, which is good. That I am not the sort of person who would brag. I just like to share my life with you guys, and now that you're my family, obviously you get happy when you see those things. And the only thing which I would want to brag about is how blessed I am, how loved I am. I am really lucky to have a family, to have friends who care about me, and now you guys, with whom I'm going to share my life. I'm getting old, dude. I'm getting old. I've just ended the amazing decade of my life, which was full of learning. I have achieved so much in my life, and I'm thankful to God and my friends and family. And now, since I'm a budding YouTuber, so yeah, I would want to share it with you guys as well. So without further ado, let's get popping. There is no first gift which I love is okay, I love all of them, so that's wrong. Okay, so the first gift is I've got these amazing mobile covers by a dear friend, and I'll show you what are so special about it. So Stanley, because I am a Marvel fan. So I am a huge fan of Iron Man. Okay, I cried my eyes out when he died. Okay, सबने देख ली ना Endgame. Yeah, so I am a sucker for purple color and unicorn. Yeah, so I'm a hookah lover as well. Right, my Instagram family already knows it. I'm a huge hookah lover. So there's a shisha on, now it's dead. Yeah, I'm a PUBG lover as well. Let's not mention it. Just before, एक दिन पहले मेरे बर्थडे के PUBG बैन हुआ था. ऑब्वियसली ट्वीट भी नहीं कर सकते आजकल, तो पता नहीं क्या होता था. या मैंने मोदी जी से बोला मन में, मोदी जी आपको इससे अच्छा बर्थडे गिफ्ट मेरे लिए नहीं मिला क्या? या सो या दैट मच, या दैट इज ऑल्सो. सो पबजी में मेरी फेवरेट गन M416 with 3x. दैट्स या सो सम winner chicken dinner. This amazing bag and makeup brushes by Fuji. These are brushes that I got. The third gift is really big. Okay, so you'll have to wait. Okay. So this is what I got. Okay, I am not sure if you'll be able to say it. This is a makeup organizer gifted to me by my sister. To organize makeup ताकि मेरा makeup, this is basically a gift for her ताकि मेरा makeup पूरे कमरे में ना फैला रहे. So this is a gift, and it's quite handy, very nice, very sweet. This is sugar eyeliner and sugar kohl. So this came together. And another one which I have got is this sugar aqua stick. This is my go-to thing. Okay, I'll show it to you right now. Let me show you. अभी तो मेरी आंखों के नीचे कुछ है नहीं, थोड़ा कंसीलर लगा रखा है मैंने, but if I'll just open it up and apply it, it just feels very cool under your eyes, and आपके bags जो हैं आंखों के चले जाएंगे. So this is another very amazing thing that I've got for my birthday gift. Like I said, I'm really loved, right? So yeah, this is another one. Wait for the next. So the fifth gift that I got is this M&H Must Mahaba bag, which is amazingly beautiful. See how amazing gorgeous it is. So yeah, this is the sixth gift. I have already started using it. This is also an M&H bag, and it is equally nice and sweet. It's very spacious. This is how it looks. Gift which I liked is this amazing birthday dress by Urbanic. Let me tell you about Urbanic. It's not a paid advertisement, but I struggle with plus size. I'm a plus size girl, right? So I struggle with dresses. When Shein was there, it was comparatively easy to get clothes, really fashionable, amazing clothes. So I was struggling to get a nice, trendy, chic birthday dress. So I came across this application. Let me tell you about this application. It's Urbanic. It's Urbanic, where you get all plus size dresses, dope dresses. So it's very swift delivery, amazing. They have sizes to 0XL to 5XL. This is a 2XL dress. So yeah. So another thing which I've got is this Body Shop strawberry lotion. Yeah, this one, and the strawberry soap. So my friend Aviral just gave me this Body Shop hamper which had everything from Body Shop that I love. Yeah, and they just made sure that they made it a very amazing experience for me. Like I said, that I can be a brand ambassador to them for free. Yeah, call the manager. And so anyone who's struggling, it's a very good application. It's a good replacement for Shein. Go check it out. I think it's got normal sizes as well, so you can go and check out the stuff. Okay, yeah. So my 8th gift is this amazing beautiful bag, Tommy Hilfiger bag. Yeah, if you see, oh sorry, yeah, it's nice Tommy Hilfiger chic bag. I have also got Tommy Hilfiger shoes, but then वो छोटा size आ गया था, तो I have sent it for replacements, gone for exchange. I'll share the picture, though I'm not counting it in my 30. So I'll just share the picture of those because I don't have it on me right now, so मैं अभी उसको share नहीं कर रही हूँ. This is another organizer for my hair and brushes and anything which is left on the table. So I hate her though, but then it's very handy. She gifted it for herself. Can't do much about it, young sisters, you see. This was my, oh god, I'm so bad in maths. Can't believe I'm a banker. That was my 9th gift. Okay, I got it. Okay, so my 10th gift is this bag. Yeah, this is another. Okay, fine. I have already confessed I have some obsession with these gold chains. It's a bag by Cleo. And this really nice Dost gift. It's a pendant, and it's a very beautiful pendant. If you'll see, it opens up and it says "You're my sunshine." These are my birthday heels, which I brought from Stellatoes. They were gifted. So these are, I have worn them once. I'm sure आपने देखी होगी. These are very chic, nice heels. I've just worn it once. Makeup Fixer Natural. It's basically a makeup spray. Discovery. My sister gifted it to me, and wait, let me open. How does it? Yeah, so it is basically a big blusher and highlighter set, which is amazing texture wise. If you'll see, it's just so. 14 is this amazing sleeping mask by Body Shop. If you can see, Body Shop foaming mask, and it is just amazing. It's just amazing. I have an acne prone skin, so it has really, इसने मुझे बहुत help करा है. Body Shop Tea Tree Foaming Cleanser. इसका normal वाला भी मैंने use करा, but I just like the pump system. मुझे इसका pump system अच्छा लगता है, so it's very. This Body Shop Skin Clearing Clay Mask. A dear friend of me gave this. I haven't used it even once. So what is this British Rose Body Yogurt? It is just amazing. Okay. It smells, so I am a sucker for British Rose as well. This feels amazing. So it's very nourishing, very moisturizing. It's very good for your body. Another gift that I have got Nike Air Max shoes, rose gold. These are really pretty shoes that I've got. Gift which I have got is this shampoo and conditioner from Body Shop. They are, yeah, these are Cartel London slippers, golden slippers. I don't know how to show it. Yeah, it's Cartel London golden slippers that I've got. I have worn it on my birthday. So this one actually made me cry. I cried. So I am a Potterhead. ठीक है, मैं एक पॉटरहेड हूँ एंड मुझे हैरी पॉटर की सारी मूवीज़ पसंद है, सारी मूवीज़ पसंद है. मैंने सारी मूवीज़ पता नहीं 3-3 4-4 बार देखी, सारी नॉवेल्स पढ़ी हुई हैं. सो जब मैं 11 साल की हुई थी ना, तो आई वॉज एक्चुअली वेटिंग कि मेरे को भी लेटर आएगा और मुझे भी हॉगवर्ड्स लेगा. वो लेटर आ गया, तो थोड़ा लेट आया. अब मैं 30 साल की हो चुकी हूँ ना, मैं विच बनने लायक हूँ. I'm a corporate banker by profession, I can't. So I rejected this invitation, but what I'm excited about is I'm a sucker for diaries. I love diaries. So this is my own personal Hogwarts journal. Oh my god. This is just amazing. And I've got my own personal Maraudar map. I know. जो पॉटर हेड नहीं है उसे नहीं पता हुआ, बट जो है उसे पता हुआ. So I have my own personal Maraudar's map, my own Hogwarts journal, mine white, and this gift made me cry. Okay, just look at this. This is a gold embossed diary, which has got the amazing Cinderella Stellar Toes sandals, slip-ons, and these are so pretty. Just look at them. These are so pretty. It's basically a Sugar Contour de Force face palette, which has got your bronzer, your highlighter, and your blush. So this is very compact, very handy. It's highlighter set, and I'll show you. It's Sugar highlighter palette, and it has got 3 shades of highlighter. Another thing which I got, my mom gifted it to me. It's a bunai set, and it's a nice red color suit, which has got a very nice pallu. It's a very nice pallu. I can't open it, it's too gaudy, but then that's what my mother has gifted me. What is this? Sugar mini set. Yeah. So let me show you. I've got 2 of them. So I'm counting them 2 क्योंकि ये दोनों अलग सेट है. एक न्यूड सेट है और एक बोल्ड सेट है. Let me know अगर आपको इसके swatches चाहिए होंगे. I'll make a different video swatches के लिए. This is one, and the other one which I have is yeah, this is another one, and let me show you. Okay. Yeah, this is another swatches. So I've got 2 of them, and one is nice black and one is pink. So yeah, this one's really pretty. Okay, so this one's really pretty. I love that. So I've got this really beautiful silver anklets, पांजेबे, बहुत ही सुंदर पायल है that I've got. I'm fond of them. हाँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. It's got a nice मीनाकारी touch on it, which makes it even more beautiful if you see. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Yeah, I have got are these perfumes. So one's from Marks and Spencer Radiance, and another one is from Zara. It is Twilight Mode. This is a ring light जो मैं अभी यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जैसा आप देख पा रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से मेरी स्किन इतनी अमेजिंग ग्लो कर रही है. और मेरी आंखों में आप देख सकते हैं कि वो कितनी सुंदर रिंग लाइट है. तो या दिस वन, these cuties. This is a lip balm. It's a Body Shop lip juice. मेरा favorite. I can't live without it. One of it, and the other things that I have is I can't live without them. I just can't live without them. These are babies. These are Body Shop lip and cheek stain. These are just amazing. One is red pomegranate, another one is pink hibiscus. I'm counting them as one. Another thing that I've got is last तो नहीं होगा वैसे वो मतलब gift तो नहीं कह सकते, but then yeah, I love it the most. I had to show. Okay, so this one's yeah, I mean this is what I like, and सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे पसंद आया था. बचपन से मुझे ये चाहिए था. I always used to get those plastic ones and all, but this one's a nice metal tiara, and I know how it is, but yeah, this one's the 30th gift. Isn't it amazing? Don't I look just pretty? Have a look in the comments. Alright, guys, so these are pretty much the gifts that I've got. Yeah, so ज़्यादा महंगे नहीं, बहुत प्यारे से, स्वीट से, वेल थॉट ऑफ गिफ्ट्स हैं. मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे जानते हैं, मेरी बहन मुझे जानती है, मेरी फैमिली मुझे जानती है, सो दे नो व्हाट आई लाइक, एंड मेजरली उनने वही सारी चीज़ें दी जिनके बिना मैं जी नहीं सकती. दीज आर जस्ट अमेजिंग. आई लाइक आई सेड कि मैं आपके साथ वो शेयर करना चाहती थी. I think this video would just serve its purpose. So please like and share this video to spread love that we have, to spread love. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं gifts are formal way of, you know, but then I think gifts are a way where you can pamper and spoil your loved ones. So I believe in that. I believe in giving gifts a lot. And yeah, I'll post some pictures after this video, and I'll show ki how was my birthday party to my YouTube family. And stay safe, stay home. Loads of love to you from my family to yours. Take care of yourself, and let me know in the comment box अगर आपको कोई भी makeup product जो मैंने दिखाया है उसकी कोई वीडियो चाहिए तो DIY. I'll try and do it. So thank you for watching my family. I love you all, and please follow, hit the like button, subscribe, like, share this video, show some love, follow me on Instagram. I've shared my Instagram handle. Loads of kisses and love. Bye guys.